Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Cloud Maltese plushie in Heartopia X Maltese update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this latest update, Heartopia has a collaboration with Maltese and you can get this Maltese plushie. If you want to get it, you can go to the Gilded Acorn exhibition and go to this go with puppy, okay, right here, and you will need the exhibition pass to draw, and if you're lucky you will get this Cloud Maltese plushie. And if you want to equip this item, go to your watch menu, select dress up, and go to the handheld accessory and click on this plushie to equip it and click on save. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Cloud Maltese plushie in Heartopia X Maltese event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.